Hey guys, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com showing you another fabulous pine color. This one is going to be represented by our SPC040X Vanilla Pine. This one is very refreshing. Light, clean, crisp color and very pretty design. It does have a little variation. It's a little exaggerated in the video. So be sure to get some samples. These are ready to go for sampling. We'll have the product in just a few more weeks. This floor makes me think of those Vienna Fingers cookies. And actually, I'm craving it right now. Seriously guys, it's such a pretty color. This is the same design as the Corvallis, but just in another color palette. Sure is pretty. And as with all of our SUPERCore items, all of our colors come with the high density EVA foam pad attached to the bottom, an automatic underlayment. So please comment, you guys. Let us know what you think about this one. We're pretty happy with all of our new colors and sure do appreciate any feedback you'd like to provide. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.